Today, our topic is industrialization has created modern wars. The industrial capital countries are Britain, Germany, USA. More, these are the industrial countries. Here, these countries need markets, and these countries wanted to raw materials, and these countries accumulated capital in banks. They spent the investment on colonies. They gained the profits from the colonial countries. These are the main important features of the industrialization has created the modern wars. And the new industrial powers arise: Germany, Italy, Japan. These are the new industrialization countries. Here, these countries are also involved in the industrialization, and these countries created the stress and often to lead the wars. And the another feature is love for one's country is a positive impulse. Once here, love for one's country is positive impulse. At the times, it associated with the hatred against the neighbor countries. Then it would not positive impulse. This type of the aggressive nationalism disrupt the peaceful coexistence. It leads to the wars. So the industrialization has created the modern wars. The Second World War, power blocks are two blocks: Poland, France, USSR, USA, England. These countries are in allied bloc. Germany, Italy, Japan. These are the best examples to identification of the Axis powers. Do you find the presence of the aggressive nationalism, imperialism, power blocks, militarism around us today? Do you find? Yes, we find indirectly aggressive nationalism, imperialism, power blocks and militarism around today to us. We may found the trace of the such things now. What are those things? Aggressive nationalism, imperialism, power blocks and militarism. These are only the main comparisons and related to the previous period of the Second World War. In perfect sense, we may not find really directly, but indirectly we can identify these four things. We can see the countries like China, Afghanistan and Libya. These countries have the aggressivism and militarism. USA interfere the affairs of the other countries like the Iran and Vietnam. USA got the aggressivism and imperialism and also militarism. It is the view of to over the power the national resources present there. So this is the main aim by the aggressive countries.